In today's video, I'm testing out the repurposing of the TikTok live content. So what I'm going to be doing is taking this recording and I'm going to be using a repurposing tool called Munch that is basically you put a long form video into it and it's like having an AI video editor. It will find the really interesting bits in the video and it will repurpose them into a whole lot of different short form content that you can use as YouTube videos, or you can use as TikToks, or you can pop it on all of your other social media. So if you want my best advice on how to make money on YouTube and you're just starting out, get into affiliate marketing, because I make anywhere from 5 to 10 times as much money on YouTube with affiliate marketing than I do from the Adsense. The Adsense is just a small little bonus if you happen to have a monetized YouTube channel. But people get really used to this regular check every month and it makes them lazy from YouTube. And what happened to me can happen to any one of you, especially if you use AI content and especially if you use, like white noise videos. So if you're starting out on YouTube and you want to make money, find some good affiliate programs. I make really good money from doing reviews of different pieces of software. So all of these AI software tools that are out there, especially AI writing software, AI video software. So the main ones that I am doing, the main programs that I am promoting are bringing me in 5 to 10 times more money than the Adsense revenue. And all I'm doing is signing up for the free trial of these pieces of software. I'm doing a screen recording of me just using the software, trying it out. I'm no expert. I'm just showing people what it's like. And then I'm popping that on YouTube. And during my video, I say, if you would like to try this software, use the link that's in the pinned comment and in the description of this video if you want to get a free trial. And guess what? Heaps of people do. Here's a really good example. I made a video about a tool called Opus Clip, which is a video repurposing tool. It takes long form like podcasts and the horizontal style video, and then you just you can do it from YouTube, and you just take the URL and pop it straight into the Opus Clip software, and it will create lots of different short form pieces of content for you. So I did a review of this software, and over 3 months, it made about $200 in AdSense revenue, and that was for roughly 15,000 views. In the same amount of time, I have gotten 45 people to sign up for Opus Clip, and I've made $780 now in commissions from Opus Clip. So that is roughly 4 times as much money. No, it's actually a lot more, because that's $780 US, which is about 1,200 Australian dollars. So I am making 6 times more money from the affiliate marketing than I am from the actual content itself. And that $200 from the AdSense is just like a small bonus that you get. But this is the good news. You do not have to rely on YouTube monetization to make money on YouTube. So what I also do, which is really effective, is when I'm looking at some pieces of software, and I use a website called Futurepedia to find all the latest AI software as a service tools. And I also use SimilarWeb to get websites that I've already reviewed and find similar pieces of software. What I do is I search around for software companies that have affiliate programs. I sign up for the affiliate programs, and then I send an email to the contact page and said, hi, I am an influencer, I am a YouTuber, and I would like to review your software. Is it possible for you to give me a pro plan of your software so I can do reviews? And I've got this many subscribers. So in my own case, I have quite a small YouTube channel. I only have roughly 26,000 subscribers. That's not a huge channel by any means, but you don't even have to include that figure. You just say, I would like, is it possible for you to give me paid access to your software? And then and then so I can do a review. And guess what? About half of the time, at least half of the time, they write back and say, you know, that yes, we'll give you access and like, thank you for reaching out. And a lot of them give me a 1 year free access or a 1 month. But I have literally gotten thousands and thousands of dollars of free usages of software, of the online software, just for asking. And then I can use that software to make video reviews, but I can also use that software for like, so with Opus Clip, the manager at Opus Clip, the influencer manager, or the whatever they call them, the head of influencer marketing, gave me like $700 worth of credit to make tutorial videos. But I also use that to repurpose content like I'm making right now. So I can repurpose content. So you just go out, you find all these affiliate programs, you do reviews for them, and then you can easily make $1,000 a day. Because on average, every time I make a software review of a new AI tool, each one of those videos makes me around $1,000, and that's usually a couple of $100 in Adsense revenue from YouTube. But then the bulk of the money comes from the people who sign up as affiliates. So one of my videos like that I did for a affiliate program called Fleeky AI, which is an AI video tool, has made me $4,000 in affiliate commissions. So here's the other thing. Don't just think of yourself as a YouTube creator, all right? Think of yourself as a content creator. So here is a strategy that I use that is really it's working really, really well. So I do a TikTok live like I am right now, and then you can actually go in after the TikTok live and download your video, and you can get it onto your phone, and then I just airdrop it to my computer on a Mac. You send it to your computer, right? Then I can pop that into a video editor, and I can turn that into 10 pieces of content. I can just find all the little good bits in this video that I'm making right now. I can chop it up. I can get normal YouTube videos. I can get YouTube shorts, but I use a tool called repurpose.io. So every time I make a YouTube short on my Studio Hacks channel, it automatically posts it to TikTok, to Twitter, to Pinterest, to Snapchat Spotlight, to Instagram Reels, to Facebook Reels, and to LinkedIn videos. So for every one piece of content that I make on YouTube Shorts, I get 7 more pieces of free content. So that's 8 pieces from one. And if I do 3 pieces of content a day, I'm getting 24 videos a day just using this repurpose tool. Now, repurpose.io costs me, I think, like $30 a month, but it saves me about 3 hours of work every day. So if I was to create 3 short form pieces of content, right? So each bit of short form content, when I create a TikTok, let's say, some of my TikToks have got millions of views. When I create a TikTok, I will usually spend 10-15 minutes. I'll do a quick little bit of research. I'll think of an idea. I'll film it, and then I'll do a quick edit. It might take me half an hour. All right. So I can spend an hour and a half and make 3 TikToks. Now, if I was to take those 3 TikToks and then upload them, keyword them, put in the description to all other 7 platforms, that would take me the rest of the day. All right. So I figured out that when I'm creating YouTube videos, my time is worth roughly $200 to $300 an hour. So for every hour that I spend making YouTube videos, if I do them on affiliate marketing and I do them on good topics and I am linking to an affiliate program, I can make $200 or $300 an hour. Now, I haven't had a job like working for a boss for over probably 10 years. I do not know anywhere where I could go with my qualifications. My only qualifications are I'm a recording studio engineer. Like, I used to get $250 a day working in a professional recording studio. Now creating content for YouTube, I'm making $200 an hour for my time. All right. So if I'm using repurpose.io and I'm saving 5 or 6 hours work a day, I'm paying $30 a month, but I am actually getting $600 to $800 of value from that every single day that I work. And sometimes when I've got a lot of energy, I work 6 or even 7 days a week. When I've got a goal that I'm working towards, when I've got a project that I'm creating, I work really, really hard sometimes. And sometimes I work 14 hours a day, but that is not sustainable. And then the great thing about the passive income that I get from YouTube is if I'm feeling tired, or if I just don't feel like it, or if I'm a little bit burnt out, I can work 1 or 2 days in a week. And if I can do an 8-hour day and make 2 YouTube videos, and I know each of those YouTube videos are going to earn me $1,000 each over the next 3 months, I work 2 days a week and I can, in implied value, roughly get $4,000 of work done in 2 days. If you work in the right way and if you leverage your time using these tools, all right? So post your content not just to YouTube, because you know that Facebook even has an influencer program, and Instagram will pay you per view after you get about 5,000. Like there's an influencer program or whatever it is, like a creator fund on Instagram even. So I'm not really popular on Instagram. I just repost my stuff there. Most of my followers are on TikTok and on YouTube. So I have 26,000 subscribers on YouTube, which took me about 5 years to build up. I only started doing TikTok like 5 or 6 months ago, and I've already got almost 50,000 followers on TikTok. So you can see that doing TikTok is a lot better way to grow. But here's the great thing. You can link your TikTok straight to your YouTube channel. So if you're thinking of starting a brand new YouTube channel, you should absolutely start a new TikTok at exactly the same time. Start a Facebook page, start an Instagram, do Snapchat Spotlight, get on LinkedIn videos, all right? And just make one, if you want to start out, make one piece of content a day, but just put it on all 7 platforms. And who knows, you may blow up on LinkedIn. The topics that you are talking about might not resonate with TikTok, but they might resonate with the LinkedIn audience. And then you can start putting affiliate links. You can do reviews of so I've been talking about Opus Clip, I've been talking about repurpose.io. Now, both of those programs, if you go to my profile, there's like a link to this thing that I use called Stan Store. It's sort of like a one link, like a link in bio. So you can, if you heard me talking about them, you can actually go click that link and you can go try out those repurpose.io. You can try out Opus Clip. They're both there. So I talk about them in TikToks, right? People sign up through my TikTok. You can do affiliate marketing on TikTok. It's really easy. You can make hundreds of dollars every day just from making TikToks. Now I'm in Australia, so I don't have the TikTok creativity program. I can't, I've had probably my best video on this TikTok account has 3.4 million views. If I was in America, and it's more than a minute long, which means that if I was in America and I got that same amount of views, I would have made $3,400, maybe $4,000 for that one TikTok. So I'm really annoyed that the TikTok creativity program, Beta or the Creator Fund, neither of them are available in Australia. So for us Australian creators, we have to think of other ways. Like if it's going to be worth my time getting here on TikTok, right? If I've quantified that my time is worth $200 an hour when I'm making YouTube videos and doing affiliate marketing on YouTube, why on earth would I come over onto TikTok and make nothing? So I do affiliate marketing on TikTok as well. I haven't quite figured out how much I make per hour on TikTok, but here's another cool thing. Companies reach out to me and pay me heaps of money to review their products on TikTok. All right. So if you go through my recent TikToks, you would have heard me talking about something called HeyGen. So HeyGen is a website, software as a service website, where you can take still images and then type in text and AI will animate their faces. Okay, so it's a way of making faceless content for YouTube. Okay, so I was talking about the HeyGen creator program. So you can go onto the HeyGen website. So this is just a company and they have a product. And if you make a video on TikTok or YouTube Shorts talking about HeyGen, or you upload a video that was made by HeyGen, they will pay you $5 per 1,000 views. So if you get 100,000 views, they will pay you $500. They'll pay you straight into your PayPal. So and then they will double the payout if you made a video that hits 1 million views. So there's a video of me talking about HeyGen, and it hit 1 million views. I did it this month, and that's going to make me $1,500 Australian dollars for a 2-minute TikTok that I made. So I made $1,500 for 2 minutes work. These are the opportunities available to you when you become a creator and you are not afraid to just jump in front of a camera and just talk.